In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another email account to your Mail app on your Mac. Adding more accounts to your Mac Mail lets you read and reply to everything in one place instead of logging in and out of the different sites. So firstly, I'm going to open Spotlight Search and we can type Mail. So we're going to open this Mail app on our macOS. I currently have only the iCloud account connected. But if you want to connect a different account, let's say from your Gmail, which you have on your Google, you can click on this mail in your top menu bar. From the drop down, you want to go to Add Account. Here you can enter your email address, or you can click on Choose from the list. So here you can choose all of the providers. I'm gonna go with the Google. It will redirect you to this new window where you have to sign in with your Google account. Once you're going to be logged, it might ask you for the permissions, so you can select if you want what you want to allow access to the macOS. Also, you're gonna have option to select apps which you want to use with this account. So you have contacts, calendars, notes, and email. So you can decide what you want to use. Click on done, and now you should have your account connected. So you should get your Google account right here under the iCloud one. And that's it. It's now loading the messages and everything from that specific Gmail account which I connected. And that's how you can add another email account on your Mac Mail. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.